Thank you so very much, Kian. I understand that I should not focus on negative. I should be positive. But the problem is, I didn't study well. I didn't study well the whole year. And now I really am worried. In fact, my parents have said this clearly. If I don't make this time, I have to quit my education, which I don't want. So, how do I deal with that? Please let me know.
Okay, if you haven't studied in the whole year, maybe there's one thing you can do. Instead of focusing on learning all the stuff, you can do one thing. What you do is you're going to just flip through all the chapters and pages that you missed, and once you're done with that, try to get the main idea of the chapters, and maybe that could help you out.
Sure, I'll do that. Is there any kind of a crash course or something that I should? What do you think? Should I learn something new or just revise what I have learned only? I mean, already I've learned. So, what should I actually focus on? As you just know that it's 1 month after our exams start. So, what should I do?
You should not stop learning actually. Uh, well, I said that you first revise the chapters that you missed. Not revise exactly, just read them out so that you are aware what's the main idea, and maybe if you learn the main points of it, you still will be able to answer them, and you can still perform better in the exam compared to your previous ones.
Thank you so very much, Kian. I'm feeling better. I mean, I feel good now that you have given me somewhere the motivation I needed. Okay, I'll do that, and I think I'll be able to make this time. Thank you so much.
There's no need to thank me. I was just helping you out with your exams.
Thank you. You've been a great help, Kian. Bye.
Bye.